So, you're starting your journey with Crio. That's awesome. But you've probably got some questions about what's coming up. Well, think of this as your personal roadmap. We're going to walk through the entire program so you know exactly what to expect. Let's dive right in. We've broken it down into 5 key parts. First, we'll look at all the cool tools and content you get. Then we'll get into how you actually learn. After that, we'll introduce you to your support network, talk about landing your dream job, and finally, wrap up with the important details you'll need to know. All right, first up, what are you actually going to learn with? Let's pop open the hood on the learning toolkit you get access to from day 1. And wow, this toolkit is absolutely packed. You've got your project-based curriculum, special packs to sharpen your DSA skills, and even adaptive hints for when you get a little stuck. Everything from quizzes to forums is there to help you succeed. And the best part? You get lifetime access to a ton of these resources. So what's the big idea behind all these tools? It really all boils down to one core philosophy: project-based learning. See, at Crio, we believe you learn best by doing. By actually building real-world projects, you're not just memorizing stuff. You're getting your hands dirty and gaining practical skills that make you job ready. Okay, so we know what you'll be learning with, but how does it all fit together? Let's take a look at the Crio method. Your whole learning experience is built around these 4-week cycles we call sprints. Each one kicks off with a live, hands-on session. Then you'll take what you've learned and apply it to projects. You'll team up with your peers to collaborate, and you'll have live Q&A sessions to get any of your questions answered. It's this powerful, repeating rhythm that keeps you moving forward. Now, you're going to see 2 main types of live sessions on your calendar. The Learn by Doing sessions are absolutely mandatory. That's where you really get that core hands-on experience. The Q&A sessions are your chance to get answers to your specific technical questions. They're optional, but trust me, you'll want to be there. And here's something important to keep in mind. To move on to the next sprint, you have to complete all the required tasks from the current one. Don't think of it as a roadblock, though. It's more like a checkpoint to make sure you've got a solid foundation before you tackle the next big challenge. Now, for one of the most important parts of your journey. I want you to know this: you are not going through this alone. Let's talk about the incredible support network you'll have right by your side. Think of it as your personal success squad. You've got expert mentors and TAs for all your technical questions. You've got your peer groups to bounce ideas off of, and you have a dedicated customer success team to make sure you're always on track. We've got you covered from every angle. This quote right here, it perfectly sums up our approach to support. Our mentors aren't just going to hand you the answers. Nope. They're going to guide you, ask the right questions, and help you build the problem-solving muscle to figure it out yourself. It's all about empowering you. And your customer success team? Think of them as your personal coach. They'll send you reminders so you never miss a beat, help you jump ahead if you're crushing it, and even create a personalized plan to get you back on track if you happen to fall behind. They're here for you proactively. All right, let's get to the part I know you're excited about. The ultimate goal for so many of you, landing that dream job. This section is all about the big career payoff and how we help you get there. Let's start with the foundation, the baseline. Every single learner who completes the program gets access to Crio's exclusive career services. This isn't an extra, it's a core part of the experience. And when we say services, we mean the whole package. You get one-on-one career counseling, mock interviews with real industry experts, and help building out your resume, LinkedIn, and GitHub profiles. We'll also help you create a killer portfolio, and of course, you get direct referrals to our huge network of hiring partners. Now, on top of all those core services, you might also qualify for an extra layer of support called a Crio Career Promise. This just depends on your specific profile. And there are 2 main types. The placement guarantee does exactly what it says. It guarantees you'll land a job with a certain minimum salary. The guaranteed referrals promise, on the other hand, guarantees you'll get a specific number of introductions to companies in our network. All the specifics will be laid out right in your admission letter. Last but not least, let's go over a few important details. Now, don't think of these as a bunch of strict rules. They're more like the rules of the road that help make sure everyone has a fair, smooth, and successful experience. Landing you a job is a partnership. It's a team sport. And this is your side of the court. We just ask that you stay responsive and professional. That means getting back to info requests within 24 hours, interview invites within 12, and of course, showing up to every interview you accept. It's all about working together. Okay, this one's a big deal, so we have to be crystal clear. We have a zero-tolerance policy for plagiarism or sharing solutions. Academic integrity is everything, and any violation will unfortunately result in removal from the program. Our code of conduct is really simple, and it's all about keeping our community positive and focused. Just be respectful, keep the conversation on topic, don't spoil the learning for others by sharing final solutions, and please, no promoting other stuff in the forums. Easy enough, right? Here's a number I want you to remember: 15 months. From the day you start your program, you have a full 15 months to use all of your career services. That gives you a nice, long runway for your job search. So there you have it. That's the complete roadmap for your Crio journey. From the tools you'll use, to the people who will help you, all the way to landing that amazing job. The path is laid out right in front of you. The only question left is, are you ready to begin?